Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to increase your screen sensitivity when you use screen protector on your Pixel 9 screen. If you use a screen protector on your Pixel 9 device, maybe you notice that your screen is not too responsive as you want. So you can easily fix it. So just open settings, then scroll down and find display here. Then scroll down again and here find touch sensitivity. Click on it. And here, as you can see, we have two tumblers. So adaptive touch sensitivity will automatically adjust your environment, activities and screen protector. But I suggest you use screen protector mode. This mode increasing touch sensitivity and improve touch when using a screen protector. So enable this feature if you use screen protector, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.